Hi, John Garrett again with Tech by Johnny G. This particular segment will show you how to rename a document while you're in the document on Word 365. Okay, so what does that mean? When you create a file for the first time, it names it document, document one, document two, so a very generic name. You want to rename that and get in the habit of doing it right away. So this way you don't have to remember to go back and do it later. So right up here is the file name where you've when you've created the first one. So in order to rename that, simply just click in this block right here. It'll do one of two things. It'll come down here. It'll drop this little dialog box down, this little window down, where you can just click in here and make a change. Or it will let you. It'll highlight right here and let you change it right up here in this little box. You don't even have to come in down here. However, when you're down here, notice when you're highlighted something like this, if you want to completely erase that and rename the file, notice how it's already highlighted. Just hit the delete key once and it gets rid of all of that. And then rename the file. Now, when you're renaming files, it should be specific to what you're doing. If you name everything, report this, report that, you're going to be like, what is report? What is report 5? So it would be best to name it specifically what you're talking about. So let's say I'm making a report about gardening, and I might be gardening report or how to garden or whatever the file name is that you want to make. Be specific. If you're sharing with your teacher or other students, call it do gardening report and then put your name, yours and your partner's name, whatever it is. Just the more specific you could be, the better it will be for you, your partner, and your teacher. So that's how you rename the file. Then just simply hit the enter key or click out of that box, and it will rename the file right here. If you need to rename again, go ahead and just click right up here. And if you want to now not change the whole thing and just part of it, click out here, and then you can just add to it if you're doing version 2 or with edits or whatever you're going to call it. But if you want to rename the whole thing and it's highlighted, just hit the delete. If you want to add to it or change specific things, let's say you misspelled gardening, you would just come in here and click and add what you want. So that's how you rename a file in Microsoft Word Office 365. Good luck and happy computing.